Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making another recipe from HelloFresh. Still not sponsored, but whatever. Make sure to hit subscribe to let HelloFresh know that we're worthy of their sponsor. That way I can save you money by showing you if they're actually worth it or not. Sometimes these meals are overrated, so we gotta be careful of that. Most of the ingredients they use are all available at your local market. The prep is pretty easy. You gotta dice, slice, and mince everything. Took me about like 10 minutes, so it's not too bad. After practicing your knife skills, we're gonna move on to the stove. To that boiling of water, we're gonna add spaghetti. And to the sizzling pan, we're gonna add onions, garlic, and rest of the shit in there. I wanna know if you pour the cereal first or the milk first. Or you don't even eat cereal at all. Maybe you're a rice type of guy, which is still fine. Let me know in the comments because I'm genuinely curious. I'll tell you at the end of the video what I do for mine. I just wanna see what the majority thinks. Now that the pasta is finally done, we can go on and taste it. Looks good, but might taste like shit, who knows. Sprinkle some Parmesan on top, and here we go. A solid 4 out of 5. Milk first.